Okay, guys, I got this little thing for my little cake to cut. Cause I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator to get cold. So I can decorate them after a while. I'm gonna let them get really hard this time. But let me see how you cut this little. I'm learning how to use all these little tools. Ja. It's warm, so that's probably why it's tearing up. I probably should wait, right, guys? Till it's cold to use this tool. Think so. I don't want my cake that. I be trying to make my stuff come out perfect. I'm still learning, y'all, though. So I'm gonna just put them in there and let it get cold, freeze. Yeah. Had to go around my cakes. These weren't easy to come out like my other new pans I had bought. And I didn't put any Pam in here, you guys. No spray. Because I thought they was going to be like the other pans I had bought like this. The bigger ones. Okay. There he is. Alright. So, getting these wrapped, you guys. So they can go in the fridge and freeze. Then I'll come back and cut this one. I probably made a mistake cutting that one already. But it's just gonna be these 2 layers.